Try that again. I wish. Rock! A miniature boy has entered the world!
What have you done to me?
Oh, wait. Freaks of nature, bro. That was my fucking grappling hook, you bastard. No. Bad lizard. Bad lizard. Okay? Bad lizard. Bad lizard. Okay. I love vaporizing them right there. Accidentally just blew up my child. And someday it could make all the difference. So I don't care if you think I'm crazy, but I'm not gonna be ill prepared when the day arrives. I'm not gonna be ill prepared. Maybe we should bring a. Maybe I actually. Hang on. Is this the day? Is this the day I've been preparing for? Oh my god. Oh my god, today's the day. The vulture mask actually works and it comes in handy. There's something fishy's going on. Now I'm starting to theorize it might be the vulture, bro. I think bro might be an op. I'm just saying. I think bro needs a lesson. Shit, I was pulling him apart. Come on, let's go. You're my friend now. Go get him. I don't think he's my friend now. Please pop faster. Oh my god. Give me the scoop. Pretty boy. Oh shit, firebug egg? You spoil me. I just got a free singularity bomb. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to Farmer Is. Yeah, I got everything I needed. Got the vulture mask, singularity bomb. I probably should have hibernated, but whatever. Well, actually no, because then I'd have to get food over here and it would be even more risky. So yeah, I actually made the right call by just going straight. God, I fucked myself way too. What are you doing? Freak of nature? Don't play with those, those are explosive armaments. I'm gonna go through. Okay, yeah, we straight, we straight. Yeah, we straight, just ignore that spear. Go down! Light work. Hopefully there was a way to describe how I'm feeling in a single word, but I'm not allowed to say it because it is a racial slur. It was a misinput! That's a very good question. Oh hey, watch your tone, buddy. He is fucking ecstatic. Look at that face. Hey, where'd he go? We got, I don't think I ever named you guys. Oh no, we got mold, moss, and we got 8-ball. What is he doing? Well, finally made it past those fucking deer. Never have to worry about them again. This calls for a celebration. Sorry, sorry, I have chieftain, bro. Who the fuck do you think you are? Okay, call me crazy, but the resemblance is uncanny. Delicious gourmet
That should...
Did you eat my kid?
Let me help you. Let me help you.
Why is the game over? What? Am I dead?
Let me help you.
Oh, hi. Oh, I wanted to save you. No! 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 Totally garbage. Damn, easy claps. Go feast. Young one. No. Go feast. I will. Well, why am I... What the...